Scientists holding the core to Fatman, circa World War II.
In this somewhat odd photo, and not terribly exciting unless you are aware of the details, Harold Agnew's smile sorta disconnects the viewer from the reality of the situation. That box is the direct cause of deaths of approximately 70,000 people. And that little box will change the course of history, and he's holding it like it's his lunchbox. The oddest thing here is that a whole group of scientists had photos of themselves posing with the plutonium core. They were proud of their invention and the fact that they were making history. For a whole lot of reasons, they had no second thoughts about what they were planning to do. Harold Agnew saw the completion of the atomic bomb from start to finish, and as a member of the Enrico Fermi's research team at the University of Chicago in 1942, Agnew witnessed the first sustained nuclear chain reaction, the Chicago Pile 1. He worked in the experimental physics division at Los Alamos from 1943 to 1945. While the Trinity test was being conducted, Agnew was already on his way to Tinian Island in the Pacific as part of Project Alberta, the group responsible for assembling the final bomb. He actually flew as a scientific observer on a B-29 bomber for the Hiroshima bombing mission, measuring the size of the shock wave to determine the bomb's power. And believe it or not, he actually filmed the explosion with the movie camera. So yeah, that video you've seen of the explosion was filmed by him. The plutonium core, or the box, and the Fat Man weighed 6.2 kilograms, or about 14 pounds. The pits is 9 centimeters, or 4 inches across, and only about 1/5 of it, a bit over 1 kilogram, or 2 pounds, undergoes a fission reaction, and only a gram, or 1/30th of an ounce, of that gets converted into explosive energy, equal to 21,000 tons of TNT. Fatman was the code name for the type of atomic bomb that was detonated over the Japanese city of Nagasaki by the US on August 9, 1945. It was the second of only 2 nuclear weapons ever used in warfare, the first being Little Boy, and its detonation marked the 3rd ever man-made nuclear explosion in history, and with the first being the Trinity test. Thanks for watching, and remember, if it's more interesting, you can find it here.